Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you this time for tuning in to my 3015th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Welcome, traders. So, I wanted to get in front of the camera and do a video for you, but my printer is on the fritz. I'll fix it tonight or replace it, and tomorrow night I'll get in front of the camera and we'll do a great video. But this should help. Traders, you're looking at the E-mini S&P for trading on Thursday, 1/15/2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops. For trading on Thursday, Omni is bearish. E-mini S&P looks like this double top is being absolutely respected by the street. Look at the down move we had already today. S&P, NASDAQ look the same way. So does transportation average and the Dow. But let's go to some more exciting areas right now. Traders, look at silver. We had a 94 target, 93.56 hit so far, and we expect it to go even higher. Silver is a buyer of dips. I mentioned in my last webinar, and I'll show you again here, that metals are creatures of, or they have a habit to be inside of a channel. They're creatures of the channel. Look at it work its way up the green channel, up the blue channel, now the purple channel. Look at it go. We're still bullish on metals. Look at gold. Look at this gold chart. It's going through the roof. A creature of channels. Look at the way gold stays inside of these channels and then breaks into new channels. Now look, we've got a blue channel, and that is a bullish flag building in gold. You gotta love what you see there. Let's keep moving. 26 is Bitcoin, traders. We talked about the end of Bitcoin winter coming right there on this date, give or take a week in either direction. And look at what's happened since. Away we're starting to go. Rock and roll to the Omni analysis. Now I know we have some noise outside. I'll try to be as loud as I can. Now let's go look at something else. Check this out. Something even better, traders. Let me show you. Well, I don't know about better, but it certainly looks cool. Here. We've got a few cool things to show you. The Omni trading token. Look at how it's rallied ever since we started it. We started it here. Bull flag, rally, bull flag. A rally's expected. Now, what would make that happen? Watch this. Solana. Well, let's get rid of that. I don't know what. Oh no, it won't let me show you this chart. It's so bad. My bad, kids. This is going to go away on us. Watch. I'm going to reload it. It's going to go away. But I'm going to show you the chart anyway. So Solana, let me label it real fast for you. Sol daily bar. SOL. And here's what you've got. Since we started the Omni token, since we started it, look at this. Solana has gone down since we started our Omni token. But the Omni token's built in Solana. It's built on Solana. So Solana went down the whole time our Omni token went up. Now Solana looks like it has bottomed out. The same thing that's happening in Bitcoin is happening in Solana. Looks like we've reached our bottom. And now look, we're getting channels in this direction. How crazy is that? So, fantastic work. Now, you know what has to happen, right? The fact that our token went up while Solana went down, our token, the Omni trading token, has to go up with Solana going up, even if no one bought another token. How about that, huh? We're in a perfect spot. If you don't own your Omni tokens, go get them. And then finally, let's go back here. Let's take a look at this. And remember something, kids. We've got something really interesting here, and the double top looks like it's working. You're breaking support. NASDAQ looks exactly the same, but we are in a big booming bull market. So if you do end up with a short position, be nimble, take profits quickly, and get out of the market's way. Traders, I hope this helps. Remember, stop, sir. Emotions are out. Viva la Omni and Viva la Omni trading token. Thank you so much for